Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change your website name in WordPress. Whether rebranding or updating your site, this is a quick and easy process. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply go to your website URL followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password and click login. Once you're in your dashboard, look on the left-hand side menu and find settings. Hover over it and click on general. In the general settings, you'll see fields for site title and tagline. The site title is where you'll enter your new website name. Type in the new name you want. You can also update the tagline if you want to change or remove it. This field is optional. After you've made your changes, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. This ensures that your new site name is updated across your WordPress site, and that's it. Changing your website name in WordPress is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.